So what I want to talk about now is the meta model. The meta model was the first language model of NLP that was developed by Bandler and Grinder, and it was created after the modeling of Virginia Satir. Bandler noticed that there was something very special linguistically about what Satir was doing. And as John Grinder was a professor of linguistics, Bandler asked Grinder to come along and help in terms of the modeling of Satir to find out exactly what it was she was doing. What they came up with and created was the meta model. Now the meta model is a series of some sort of 12 to 13 patterns, depending on how you actually break it down, that look at the way that somebody communicates and listens to the particular patterns in their language which reveal what that particular person is deleting, distorting, or generalizing. And the meta model ties directly in with the NLP communication model, because one of the things the meta model does is it reveals the nature of the F2 filters of a particular individual, what they have deleted, what they have distorted, and what they have generalized. And there are two main things the meta model does. One is it gets very specific. The meta model questions chunk down and they get to what the real meaning is that a person is actually saying. So they chunk down to something specific. Now the secondary gain, if you like, of the meta model is that by asking certain questions, it forces somebody inside to answer those questions and get very specific for themselves. And sometimes in asking yourself a question, you may realize that what you're holding on to holds no value at all. And what it is that's holding you back possibly will simply blow out simply because of the question. So the meta model is very powerful in understanding somebody's map of the world. And sometimes the mere fact of asking a question is enough to bring about very complete change.